Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This one-owner 2020 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with only 3,525 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. The TRIGLIDE offers the same comfort, luxury, and rugged power as its two-wheeled siblings, but appeals to a wider range of riders with more stability. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 100 horsepower and 121 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,203 pounds and has a 28.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.